have nothing to wear. I am super nervous. We are running late. Really?
Yeah.
Painters are officially here. Catch the sunrise. Surgery that I am possibly thinking of doing. Stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my garage, which is currently a mess, but I am starting off this vlog kind of chaotic because I figured I would do a week in my life vlog, which I don't think I've done before. I've definitely done a day in my life vlog before, but not a week in my life. And this week kind of does feel a little eventful, so I figured I'd take you guys along. I look very crazy right now. I have no makeup on and I'm going to the gym later, so I've got my workout clothes on already. But exciting news, Odell and I are painting the exterior of our house. There's a funny story behind this, and that is pretty much, long story short, when we were selecting the exterior color of the house, we selected a light gray color. Don't ask me how, but the house is not light gray. It is pretty much purple, and we've had this house, I mean, it was a new build, and we've been here for pretty much 4 entire years with a purple house, and it's the Teletubby house, it's the Barney house. And yeah, so it's about time that we painted the color that we want, and we're actually not doing gray, but we're doing white, which I'll get into in a little bit later. But don't forget to like this video, make sure you guys are subscribed, click the bell button, and let's get into it now. All right.
Shakira drives like a maniac, so.
There's the paint, bucket number 1. Bucket number 2, the smaller buckets. Okay, you guys, it is much later, and once again, I look crazy, so I guess that's just the theme of this vlog. But I am getting ready for a private showing of the new movie Dog. I think that's what it's called, Dog. Honestly, how I got invited to these private showings, this isn't the first private showing that I've been invited to. I got invited to House of Gucci with Lady Gaga, and I genuinely have no idea, like, why are they reaching out to me to come see these private showings, you know, of these movies? I mean, they're reaching out business email, which is my creator email, so I think it's probably what they're trying to do is just like have creators go so that they can talk about the movie and then get like people to go and watch the movie. So that's my theory on why I'm getting invited to these things. But it's pretty crazy because the other people that go to these events are like critics. Like when we went to the showing for House of Gucci, it was literally like the whole first 2 rows were reserved for critics reviewing the movie. And then I get a +1, thankfully, so Odell comes with me to these showings. But we are running super behind. It's about 30 minutes away from us. It's 6:30 right now, and we're supposed to be there the movie starts at 7:30. But they obviously want us to get there like a little bit earlier, so I just showered. I'm gonna hope, my hair will probably dry by the time I get there, and thank God that my hair dries like pretty decent. Like it dries like kind of wavy and cute, and I just put some like Moroccan oil in it so that it's like doesn't look super frizzy or crazy. But let me do a little fit check for you guys. So fit check, you guys can't really see, but I'm wearing this like, I don't even know what you call this, like little bodysuit. It's shorts, and then these boots with a black blazer, and then just some gold accessories. I don't have my ring on right now, but here she is. And right now I'm gonna do a super natural look because I'm literally out of breath and that's all I have time for. I'm just gonna go in with the Merit Beauty products because they're all cream-based products, and it'll give me more of like a natural but like still put together kind of look. Also, I'll try and have this whole outfit linked down below for you guys because honestly this is like a really freaking cute outfit. And I hope I'm not cold in the movie theaters. See you guys later. Okay, so this is the final fit. The lighting in here is horrifying, but I think I pulled it together for having like 10 minutes to get ready and shower. And then my hair will just dry, and that's the look. let's go watch this movie. So tell us a little bit about the movie. We haven't watched it.
It's called Dog. And it's got Channing Tatum and a German Shepherd, I think.
Alright, you guys, we are back in the car after the movie. It was an hour and a half. And here's our quick summary of a review. I think it was very cute. It was very happy, sad. I would be lying if I said I didn't cry, but I'd also be lying if I said I didn't cry in literally every single movie that I watch. True or false?
True.
But it was super cute. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. What would you give it? Oh.
I would give it like a 5.5 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Why so bad?
You'll see.
You'll see?
The Rotten Tomatoes score will flow with my reading.
But that's about it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon, vlog. It's the next day, which is Thursday. And yes, I started this vlog on a Wednesday, a week in my life starting on Wednesday. So I'm gonna pretty much, I guess, end it next Wednesday. Kind of random. I don't know, I haven't decided. Started our morning and I got a lot of work done already. But tomorrow I have a wedding to go to and I need to go get my nails done. And the wedding is pretty much in Miami, which is 3.5 hours away from us. I literally have nothing to wear. It's a little scary. I was literally telling my mom that I've never been to a wedding and not been in the wedding. Like, I've been to multiple weddings, but I've always been in the weddings. So I never really had to worry about what I'm gonna wear. It's always been like, I'm wearing the bridesmaid's dress or like whatever. But I've never been as a guest and I literally have no idea what I'm supposed to wear. I feel like I'm just gonna end up wearing like kind of like a long dress. I feel like I need to be with like the season, which is like kind of awkward because it's like end of winter, start of spring. So I literally have no idea what to wear, but I'm gonna take you guys along my little journey of how my nails come out. I'm thinking something very neutral. Probably gonna go to like Forever 21 and hope and pray that they have something because I really, really, really don't wanna go all the way to the mall. And there's like a little Forever 21 in the, like a little shopping center, outdoor shopping center that's like a lot closer to where I live. Fingers crossed that I find something. But first, you guys, I'm going to Chick-fil-A. Okay, so I just finished getting my nails done and here they are. Super simple, very cute. And I love them. I feel like you really just can't go wrong with this color for pretty much any and every season. But you guys, I definitely don't have time to go to Forever 21 and find a dress. So I'm gonna have to wake up early tomorrow and be at Forever 21 whenever they open. It's already 4 o'clock. I'm probably like 20 minutes from the house and I have Orange Theory scheduled at 5:15. And then I'm working out afterwards, but like just doing like more workout, I guess, like less cardio, more strength training afterwards. So I'm really not gonna be done until probably like 7 and then I'm gonna eat dinner. So yeah, pretty much I'm not gonna have time to go today. So I'm gonna end up going tomorrow when they open. So fingers crossed, wish me luck that I find something. But yeah. At least I got my nails done and they look cute. Hi vlog, in true fashion, we are running late to this wedding, which is 3.5 hours away. 12:41, we should have left at 12:30, so we're heading out. I'm out of breath and didn't have time to, 1, do my makeup, so I'll be doing that in the car, 2, go to Forever 21. So I am just wearing a dress that I had in my closet, which I feel like is pretty cute and appropriate. That's what it is. I'm pretty sure I wore this dress. It's the back of it. But I'm pretty sure I wore this dress for New Year's 2 years ago. And I'm just wearing it with these like nude heels. But we're ready, I'm out of breath. And hopefully, wish us luck that we get there on time at least. The wedding starts at 4:30, so. Alright you guys, makeup is complete and perfect timing because we just got to the exit from I-95 to Turnpike, which is the way that we go to Miami. And there's a Subway, so I'm about to grab some Subway and then we're gonna do a little switcheroo of the drivers and I'm gonna drive the rest of the way. But I think we're doing pretty good on time, so see you guys at the wedding. Good morning vlog. It is currently 6:02 in the morning and we're about to go catch the sunrise. I'm exhausted, but it's supposed to be cold, so I'm obviously bundled up. But if the sun does come out, I have my little one-piece bikini on underneath. But let's go. Okay, so I just finished getting ready for a consultation that I'm about to go to. And honestly, you guys, I am super nervous, but I'm very excited. I'm obviously not getting anything done right now or in this video, but I am going to a plastic surgery consultation just to get some more information on a surgery that I am possibly thinking of doing. So I'm not gonna spill the beans in this vlog. You guys will just have to subscribe and stay tuned to see if I actually get it. I will probably post a full video on me going to the consultation. But yeah, so all I'm gonna share with you guys in this video is that I have a plastic surgery consultation, and that's all you guys will know. But yeah, let's go to that. Good morning vlog. Today is the day the painters are officially here. And the guy, well, it's one painter and he's here and he is outside pressure washing at the moment. So in probably not too long, we are finally going to have a nicely painted house. I mean, don't get me wrong, the house was a nicely painted house. It just wasn't the color that we wanted. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to take you along this journey of us painting our house and transforming the house. I do have another video that I am working on, which is kind of us transforming our backyard. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are subscribed for that. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys the before and after. Well, I think you've already seen the before, but the after. So here's the after of our house. Obviously, it looks so much better. The painter for the house is complete, so it's white and then black finishes. Now, if you guys can see the roof, it does look a little bit wonky at the moment, but that is going to be the color that we're going for, which is a dark black color for the roof. But it did start raining, so the roofer had to leave and they'll be back later to finish the rest of the roof. And then if you guys just follow along on my IG, I'll be posting a final product over there, so make sure you guys are following me over there. But I am obsessed with the final product. Let me know what you guys think down below. I have to go to the mall to get some outfits because I genuinely feel like I don't have anything to bring to LA. The dilemma is that I have Orange Theory at 5:15 and it's 1:09. I'm really hoping that I have enough time to go to the mall and like look around and find some cute outfits and stuff for our trip tomorrow. From the mall, back from Orange Theory, and back from dinner, and now we are just ending the night by packing up and getting ready for our flight tomorrow morning to LA, which I am so excited about because I've never been to California before. So this is going to be a first to Cali. And of course I am vlogging that experience, so you guys have to definitely be subscribed so you don't miss out on the fun that we're gonna have in LA. But that's about it, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like we've done so much in this past week. But like I said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed, click the bell button, and follow me on Instagram and all of my socials while you're at it. It's all at Shakira Curtis. But that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.